This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Riverfront community. Seldom available. 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, open floor plan, with tile floors. Sliders, open screen porch and private backyard. Sturdy CPS construction, located a short walk from hospital and restaurants. 2 air-conditioned, sheds 11x24 and 12x14 perfect for hobbies. Protect your boat or motorhome in spacious freestanding carport. Located in desirable Ercildoune Heights. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.